After publishing Maharashtra round 1 institutional quota cutoff, I got call from many students. What about the state quota cutoff of round 1? Due to that, I am giving you complete information today regarding the state quota round 1 cutoff for the open category student. You must be knowing in Maharashtra, even private colleges also different categories are there, but this cutoff is precisely for the open category students. Yes, I'll give you the information regarding the all branches, right? Dermatology, radiology till anesthesia, all the branches, and I'll mention the which college also the last cutoff gone. So let's start with the cutoff. MD Radiology 6203. This is PIMS Sangli, Prakash Institute of Medical Science Sangli. Dermatology 9641. Vedanta Palghar. Medicine 8917 PIMS Sangli. Orthopedics 20,310 PIMS Sangli. OBG 15,125 PIMS Sangli. Pediatrics 17,426 Vedanta. General Surgery 23,565 Vedanta. Respiratory Medicine 18,375 Vedanta. Ophthalmology 19,585 PIMS Sangli. ENT 24,449 Ashwini Medical College. Psychiatry 16,552 PDMC Punjab Rao Deshmukh Medical College, and last anesthesia 29,436 PIMS Prakash Institute of Medical Science. Okay, this all the cutoff 20,310, 17,427 general, even in ophthalmology 19,000, ENT 24,000. This all rank student will get DNB. So instead of taking this type of colleges where the fee is also high and the colleges are not that much standard, you can take DNB. This rank, I'll tell you, even medicine you can get in 8,917 also. You may get medicine DNB in a good hospital. Orthopedics 20,000 rank also you will be getting DNB for sure. OBG 15,000 rank also you will be having possibility in DNB. Pediatrics also. So all the branches the student will be having possibility to get the DNB branches, DNB hospitals. Only you will have to see which hospital is good, where the passing ratio is good, all these things. See, I am not telling that you should not take this colleges. Yes, in Maharashtra is a pro state. The student who has done MBBS from Maharashtra, they are only eligible in the state quota. But fees wise, even for example, I will tell you, see, Vedanta fees is 22 lakhs per annum. Now, why a student will take general surgery in Vedanta in 23,565 rank? He might be getting in a good college in the deemed university almost the same fees. The same thing is applicable in anesthesia also. 29,436 Prakash Institute of Medical Science. Why they will take? They might be getting in DNB hospital also, where the fee is also not there, and they will be getting good amount of stipend. Same thing applicable even in respiratory medicines also in different other branches. So what I can see in the round 1, the student who has got allotted in radiology or in dermatology, this two branch only, there is some sense of taking the admissions. Otherwise all the branches, I feel they will be getting the good opportunity in the further round of counseling. If you are not allotted any branch in Maharashtra, then we'll be guiding you through our paid counseling services, what the best options available for you in different states, including Maharashtra, including MCC, including UP or any other states, based on your budget and based on your required specializations. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. In this YouTube channel, we'll be keep updating you all the important and relevant informations like cutoff, like fees, like recent trends, counseling details and everything. So if you have not yet subscribed this channel, you subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. So whenever we'll be giving any video, immediately you will be getting the notifications. Again, I am telling, if you want to utilize your rank properly in this counseling process, then definitely you can take our paid counseling services. The number is given. If you call this number, our team will coordinate with you and they will give you the details about the paid counseling services. Thank you so much.